When most people think about a day on the water on the Space Coast, they think surfing or fishing, and we're not doing any of that today. We're out here at the end of Lake Washington, and I've been on the water a lot, but going on an airboat is hands down one of the most action-packed adventures you can do. I hear we're gonna see a ton of alligators, all kinds of wildlife, and I haven't even been out here. So Captain Mike is gonna take us on the water. We're gonna have a good time. Let's go.
So just seeing his head tells you a lot about him. And a 10-foot alligator is going to be roughly 25 years old.
Okay, we just got done, and that was absolute insanity. We saw no less than 200 alligators, a ton of birds, and it blew my mind. Done a lot of stuff on the Space Coast. That was one of the coolest. So on your next trip, make sure you check it out. We'll see you out there. Phew!